Welcome to this tutorial on managing DigitalOcean Droplet backups. DigitalOcean is a popular cloud platform that offers flexible and scalable infrastructure for deploying applications and services. Backing up your DigitalOcean droplets is crucial to ensure business continuity and prevent data loss in case of unexpected events or errors. To manage DigitalOcean Droplet backups, you need to understand the concept of snapshots and automatic backups. A snapshot is a manual backup of your droplet that captures its current state, including all data and configuration. Automatic backups, on the other hand, are scheduled backups that DigitalOcean takes automatically for your droplet. To create a snapshot, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the Droplets page. Click on the three dots next to your droplet and select Take Snapshot. Enter a name and description for your snapshot and click Take Snapshot. This will create a manual backup of your droplet that you can use to restore your data in case of an issue. To enable automatic backups, navigate to the Droplet Settings page and click on the Backups tab. Toggle the switch next to Enable Automatic Backups to enable this feature. You can also configure the backup schedule and retention period to suit your needs. It is recommended to enable automatic backups for all your production droplets to ensure that your data is safe in case of an unexpected event. You should also create regular snapshots of your droplets to capture specific states or configurations. In addition to snapshots and automatic backups, DigitalOcean also offers a feature called backup windows. A backup window is a time period during which DigitalOcean takes automatic backups of your droplet. You can configure the backup window to ensure that backups are taken during a time when your application is less busy. To restore a droplet from a backup, navigate to the Droplets page and click on the three dots next to your droplet. Select Restore from Backup and choose the backup you want to restore from. DigitalOcean will create a new droplet with the same configuration and data as the backup. In conclusion, managing DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a critical task that ensures the availability and integrity of your data. By understanding the concepts of snapshots, automatic backups, and backup windows, you can create a robust backup strategy that meets your needs. Remember to enable automatic backups, create regular snapshots, and configure backup windows to ensure that your data is safe and secure.